this is one of our interns. I'll let her introduce herself in a second. We're here at Educate2Trade and she has just done, how long? How long was your internship?
It's been 6 months.
So she's just done a 6-month internship with us here at Educate2Trade. So we're just going to talk about her experiences and how she found it, and also what she gained, what she's thinking of doing moving forward from this point. So first off, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Shanmugapriya Ganesh and I done my MBA FinTech in University of East London. And as a part of my course, I want to do a placement. So I searched in LinkedIn and all. So and that's where I got my knowledge about Educate2Trade. And then Enzo contacted me and we had an interview call now. And then I had joined in the February, I think in the mid of February now. And I had completed everything actually.
Okay, so you've already done, is it university here before?
Yeah.
What did you study at university?
So I had done my MBA in financial technology.
So financial technology. What made you reach out to us? What was the step from that to this? What was the...
So I thought it would be great to get into this field, so that would be more okay. So I wanted to learn about that. So
Let's just cast your mind back to day one, yeah? Day one, you walked through the door. What was your experience and how was you feeling?
So when I came here, I don't know any knowledge about the financial markets. I know a little bit about the banking system, how it works and all,
okay,
but I don't know anything about the trading and all. But when I came here, I started from zero. I got the knowledge from the Enzo. He told me everything about the how we have to check the markets and the news feeds, everything all. And she introduced us to the Enzo and Chris, so they had helped us a lot about that.
Okay, so your main mentors were Enzo and Chris,
Yeah.
and Angie was helping as well. Yeah. She's the one that runs the internship
Yes.
here.
Like she was helping me from everything, like how we have to study these things, and then like we were very fear. Like I was scared a lot and everything that. So she helped me with that also. So we had a presentation, everything, and helped a lot of things.
Okay, so how many times did you attend here per week as part of your internship?
Like we came here almost 3 days per week, so we have to complete 20 hours as per for placement regulations. So we came here for 3 days a week.
Okay, so three days a week, and whereabouts are you travelling from?
Like we are traveling from Central London.
From Central London, yeah, because we're here from Bromley South. So it was quite a commitment on your behalf to do this program.
Lot, so for that one we can do it.
Yeah. What's your plans now moving forward after this program? What's your career progression from here?
Okay, so now I have completed my placement. I'm in my course is also have completed. So I want to take a small vacation to India, to my hometown,
okay,
and then I'll do a 100 account like that. So I'll start from here.
Oh, so your plan from here is to actually now start trading. Have you been trading already whilst you've been working here? How's the situation?
Yeah, we already traded in some of the markets. As part of presentation, we have to do the 100 trades and that we have to present it in front of the, like Enzo and then Chris, everybody. So
okay.
We done trading on that one.
Okay, so were you trading on our own prop firm? Like Educate2Trade or ETT has their own prop firm. Is that the one that you were trading on?
No, like we have the demo accounts.
Demo accounts.
Like that.
Oh, okay.
So we had done on that one, and I came from India back. Like I started in the funded account from Educate2Trade.
How would you find it different trading on a demo account to trading on a funded account?
I think it will be like better. Like I had already that experience with that, so it will be easy for me to do that.
Okay. So. And technically, you can work from anywhere.
Yeah, we can do work from home as well because like we need to have a laptop and green things nice. So I'll do work from home also.
I can see that you've been given a certificate.
Yes.
Why don't you hold the certificate up to the camera?
Yeah.
So that's her certificate. Why don't you talk me through what this certificate means to you?
Like this means a lot to me because like it's not easy to get any certification or recognition from London because I'm from other country and to get a certificate from a company which is already here it's not easy job. So it's been a great for me.
Yeah.
I'm really proud for that.
Well, I'm glad as well. I work here at Educate2Trade, and I'm very glad that we are able to give you guys and girls the opportunity to do this as well. I wish you all the best moving forward, all the best with your funded accounts, and all the best whatever you choose to do. And you know you're going to have to come back and visit us, and you know you can come maybe a few days and trade on the floor with the other traders, and you know you can be involved in the whole team. Okay.
Yeah,
All right, thank you very much. Take care. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Russell back here again with another placement student from one of the programs we run. So we're just going to have a little chat to her and find out a little bit about her experience and about her plans going forward from here. So, hello. Why don't you introduce yourselves to the lovely people of the social media networks?
Yeah, great to have me. Thank you for having me here. So I'm Shekha.
Yeah.
So I'm a graduate student. I'm studying my MBA in supply chain management in the University of East London. So currently I'm doing a placement here in Educate2Trade. So yeah, we'll see why it's back.
Okay. So, how long has your placement been here?
So actually my placement takes 6 months of period. So I started in February. So now it's August. So 6 months period is my placement from the university.
So you started when it was cold, and now you're leaving. You probably started on the coldest day of the year, and now you're leaving on one of the hottest days of the year. Yeah, you liking the weather?
Not much. Sometimes it's too hot.
Okay. Okay, cool. So I want to cast your mind back to your first day coming in. How was you feeling on that day, and how would you describe your knowledge from then to how it is now?
Okay. So let me go to my first day.
Yep.
So when I entered here, my first day I was so nervous because I have zero knowledge in trading.
Yeah.
So when I entered here, especially my trainer Enzo and Chris encouraged me how to trade, what's the platform you can use, and what are the indicators, what are the techniques you can follow. So going through all those, I got a confidence, okay, I can start trading. Because at that time, okay, I can do. I got a self-confidence that I can do when trading. And eventually, day passes, I learned, I grabbed how it really works. And now, it has helped me a lot. So currently, I completed my presentation. So it got so well. And Chris appreciated me for my presentation. And
Brilliant.
yeah, and I did 100 trades and I got more profits in that. So now I'm more confident to get into the trade.
Okay, so you've completed 100 trades, and you've definitely got an edge on the market because you're up on those trades, correct? Well, that's great. What sort of within your journey, what have you found your best assets, instruments, or commodities to trade? What's your go-to?
Okay, I found the commodities gold and silver really good to me.
Okay.
And if I take indices, the US 500 and US 100 help me a lot.
Okay. So no Nasdaq. No Nas. Bit too volatile. Yeah, you've got to be you've got to be pretty headstrong.
More losses.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I mean, you know, some people do. I think if you're a scalper, you know, and you're really switched on, then you can make some good moves. But like you said, there's a lot of risk, and you never know what that market's going to do. It's going up, it's going down. You know, it's very hectic. Yeah, so you're now completely finished the course, and so you must feel pretty confident now going out. So what's the plans for you now when you leave here over the next few months, years?
Just now I completed my internship.
Yep.
So I'll just take 2 weeks break.
Okay.
And then I'll come back and start my funded.
Okay. So are you going to be trading from home, or where do you plan to trade from?
I would like to trade in the floor.
Oh, you were going to come here and trade. Join us here at Educate2Trade. Okay, so obviously now you have been through the whole placement. Would you recommend this career path to other people?
It's an interesting question. Actually, I have a LinkedIn account. So when I started here, after 4 or 5 months, in my LinkedIn profile, 3 to 4 messages I got regarding how is your internship with Educate2Trade. We're all willing to join. This is promise. We are all willing to join to Educate2Trade. So can you recommend me to Anju or to the other recruiters? So I recommended Educate2Trade to few people, to few of the students in my university. So they told definitely they will be coming on the floor. Will learn about.
Oh, great! So you can if you come back, you can actually help to teach some of your friends going forward, like a loop of reinforcement. And you know, by teaching also, do you know, like the best way to learn sometimes is actually to teach, especially with trading, because it actually helps reinforce the things that you know, because well, you know, because you've been trading, but it's all good, well and good knowing the knowledge, but it's like driving a car. It's okay knowing everything, but to put it into action when the markets are moving, especially if it's really volatile, it's really good to reinforce this information. And yeah, by you helping to teach your friends will actually help you reinforce the information in your own brain. Cool. Thank you. I do wish you all the best going forward. I can see you've got a certificate. So why don't you show the camera the certificate and that big smile? Finally, she has passed. So congratulations, and I wish you all the luck with your trading journey and a very profitable future.